have in front of me the Dahua 4-channel DVR. So this is really high spec. It's 5 megapixel, it's hybrid, so it can support AHD, TVI, CVI, the old analog and IP as well to a certain extent. It's trade only, so this is a professional DVR. There's a different range that's available from Dahua as well. That's aimed more towards the consumer section, a slightly lower price point and also specs. But the general overview here I'm going to give would be very applicable. And we're trying to build this out really greatly in terms of the videos. So we're going to have separate videos here covering hard drives, interface, how to set it up on your app, how to do things like that. So this is a really great product in terms of really easy setup, and the picture quality and the features that it can do is superb. So some of the key things on it is, apart from the 5 megapixel, the hybrid nature of it, it can support PTZs, it can support alarms, it can support two-way communication in terms of audio. Okay, so when you buy it here, you have the outer box here, which you can see. So it just says video recorder on it. It gives all the things with two-way, the ultra low noise, the coaxial audio, all the rest of it. And the unit then itself is pretty standard in terms of the interface on the front. But if you look in the back here, then you just have your 4 camera inputs here, BNC connections. You have audio in and out. In terms of running it off to a monitor or TV, you can do it with a VGA or with a HDMI lead. You have a LAN connection here as well, and also an external USB here. You can use that for extracting recordings, adding on external hard drive, although people of course will normally be using it. We're offering this with options of no hard drive all the way up to a 6 terabyte, I think it's the largest. And then our external power unit, which you see is designed for the Irish UK market, 3-pin plug. We also have our SATA cables here, which allows actually to come along and add the internal hard drive inside. I'm going to do that in a separate video. And then what we have here as well is we have the screws for screwing in the hard drive. So we just give a demonstration of the hard drive you might use with it. So normally with a professional one like this, you'll be using professional 24/7 surveillance drives. So that's basically it now. Inside the overall range, with larger ones in this with 8, 16, and then there's special order ones you can get all the way up to about 32 channels as well. And also very exciting as well, the pure IP range as well. So it's very comprehensive. And what we're doing is we're building it out. So just say you're in a situation where you're replacing a DVR, you have a mix of cameras, things like this. This is really where Dahua comes into its own, because it's very high spec, so you can really future-proof it in terms of the 5 megapixel, really high, but it's backward compatible all the way to lower spec cameras, 2 megapixel, and it'll also support all the way in terms of competitor products. So just say you had bought cameras in the past that are generic, non-brand, or maybe for competitors, maybe even Hikvision, something like this. This will work directly with this. The DVR will adjust to bring it directly in. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Dahua 4-channel DVR, available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie.